used in digital computers to simplify the subtraction operation. So we use complements actually in computers. So we use in computers to simplify the subtraction operation. And for logical manipulation. Okay. So complements are used to simplify the subtraction operation and for the logical manipulations. So there are two types of complements. One is called radix complement and the second one is called dimensioned radix complement. So this one, the radix complement. So now the radix complement radix complement is also called R's complement. Okay, R's complement. And then the dimension diminished, it's not dimension, it's diminished radix complement. So it is called R minus 1 complement. R minus 1 one's complement. So these are the two methods. Radix complement and diminished radix complement. So the first one is called R's complement. The second one is called R minus 1's complement. Now there are different steps how we can find the R minus 1's complement and R's complement. Therefore, first we will study diminished radix complement. So now for this one, we will start from diminished radix complement, which is also called R minus 1's complement. Now, given a number n, this number is given us, okay, sure, and have a base R, can be in octal, can be in decimal, can be in a hexa. Having n digits, then the R minus 1's complement of n is defined as, so then it is called R of n minus 1 minus n. So this is the way how we can find our diminished radix complement. So which is equal to R power n, where R is the called base, n is called how many digits, and n is the actual number, and n is the actual number. So now we can take the example for this one. Okay, now we can take the example for this one. So I think I can solve the example here. So now example is find r minus 1's complement of 5, 4, 6, 7, 0. So now solution. Solution is we have a formula r minus, so it is rn minus 1 minus n, right? We have this formula. Then what is, and this number is in base 10. Okay, so from this one it means now r is equal to 10 here. We know from the question. So this is 10 power so this is our r is 10, and now small n means the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6. Okay, so it means from this one we have a r is 10 and n is 6. So it is 10 raised to power 6 minus 1 minus n. So n is this one 5, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0. So put in this one 5, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0. Then this means, now this is important. This means that 10 raised to power 6 means the number of zeros. So the number of zeros are 6 for this case. So it is 1, number of zeros 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 5, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0, which is equal to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9, minus 5, 4, 6, 7, 0, 0. When you solve this one, you can get 4, 5, 3, 2, 9, 9. So this is the answer. So this is called r minus 1's complement of this number 5, 4, 6, 7, 0. And remember one thing here, if I just want to explain you something here. So if I write this thing like this one, 10 raised to power n minus 1 minus n. Okay. Now what is the meaning for this one? Okay. So this means now so now 10 power n actually represents a number that consists of a single one followed by n zeros. Okay. So now you can see what is the meaning for this one. It means 10 raised to power 6 means how many n we have? N we have a 6. So we have a first represent 1, then follow zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this one I just want to explain, this is in the decimal. So maybe when you put in the calculator, okay, but when you do for 2's complement, then maybe you will confuse. So that's why this statement is important. Maybe for decimal you don't have any problem, but when you do the 2's complement for the binary number, then you will get confused. So that's why I don't want you confused now. Okay, so 10 represents a number that consists of a single one followed by n zeros. Okay, now take one more example, then we can do the ones complement. Okay, so it means now this is, so now it is, now r is our 10, so 10 minus ones. So it means this answer is for, it is called nines complement. Nines complement. So here this example means we are trying to do the nines complement, which is r minus 1, because our r is 10 here. Our r is 10 here. So r 10 minus 1, it means this example is the nines complement. It is nines complement. So if, let's suppose if I ask you find a nines complement, so it means it is r minus 1's complement. R minus 1's complement of 10. Okay. Now let's take another one more example. Then we will move on to the binary complement. So this is example is, now find nines complement, nines complement of 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. So now for this case, our now solution. So here we have r is 10, n is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6. And then capital N is 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. So this information we get from our question. So now put in the formula. So put in the formula is like 10 raised to power 6 minus 1 minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. So it means this is equal to now 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, which is equal to 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, 1. So this is the answer. And this one is and this one is 1. Follow this one. Follow this one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This one we follow like this. So this is the 9th complement of this one. Okay. Now next example is we will do for the binary number. Okay. So we will do for the binary number. Okay, so now let's take an example here. Example is I will now do a little bit fast here. Find r minus 1's complement of complement of 1 0 1 1, this one. So now from this one the solution. So now solution from this one is, so we have n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. N is 7, r is 2, and n is equal to 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. Put in the formula. So formula is n minus, sorry, r power n minus 1 minus n. So it is equal to 2 power 7 minus 1 minus n. Okay. So now if you do now 2 power 7, so now how you can do? Okay, so for this case now, so we have this is equal to, so now 2 power 7 is equal to 128, which is in base 10 now, minus 1 minus n. Now convert this to binary. So binary, when you convert in binary, so you can get 1 0 0. So you can see now, if you remember -1 minus n is 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So when you do the subtraction for this one, you will get, so you will get now 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 7 minus 1 0 1 1 0 0 and 0. This is binary subtraction. Okay, so this one is now binary subtraction. Then when you do the subtraction for this one, so you will get, so you will get now, maybe if you want I can solve for you this first one, but actually I don't want, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 subtraction. So 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 0 1, then 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 0, right? So the answer is 0 1 0 0 1 1 and 1. So this is the answer now. So this is the answer for 2 power 7 minus 1 minus n is equal to this one. So this is the answer. And now if you don't want to do this step, okay, this step, so you can see, or maybe if you do this one, so 2 power 7, you remember here I mentioned tens complement here. Tens complement represent a number that consists of a single one followed by n zeros. So if we do this thing here, so it means we have a 1 here. How many n we have? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in binary, so we can write this one 1, and then how many n we have? So number of zeros. So we can do this one. So if you do this one, so this way you can get, so then you can get this one. Okay, and then if you do this, so it is like 1 0 minus 1. So when you do this, so then this one will be your this one. Okay, so this is also your way, which one you want, but I suggest you follow this one. Okay, follow this way, follow this way, follow your book, because this one in the exam we have a very short time, so this is lengthy process. But this one, this this one is based on this statement 10 power n. So this is for general rule. So now we have a base is 2. So 2 power n represent a number that consists of a single one followed by n is, n we have a 7 and zeros. So then we have a this one 1 and this one, which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So number of ones will be how many n we have, how many n we have. So we have a n7. So we have a 1 is this one. Okay, Now from here, just take one more example, then we can finish our class because you guys have maybe another class as well. So example. So example is now find.
Lisa Jen,
Yes.
I think time is up.
Yeah, just give me just 2 or 3 more minutes, maybe 5 more minutes. So find one's complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So if you want to find this one, so then here our R is 2, N is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and then our N is equal to count numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is 7. So when you put in this formula R power N minus 1 minus N, so 2 power 7 minus 1 minus N, when you put here in the formula, so you can get, so then you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus N is your now 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So the answer is here 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Now, so this is all for one's complement. So, and then we can continue our lecture the next on Wednesday. So then we can do more. Okay. Let me just hurry up. I can mark your attendance. So then you can leave. So Mr. Piyanut, Mr. Piyanut,